Thanks for checking out this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. Today I'm going to make a beautiful barbecue pork sausage with Chiang Mai curry paste and chili sauce. The ingredients you'll need for that incredible dish are as follows: pork mince, pork fat, basil, coriander, spring onions, lime leaves, onions, chilies, galangal or ginger, garlic, lemongrass, sausage casing, cumin, Chiang Mai curry paste, turmeric, Thai fish sauce, fish paste, tomatoes, pork stock, lemongrass, chili spicy, chili non-spicy, regular spicy, brown sugar, and vegetable oil. So before I start, I'm going to place my tomatoes on the barbecue. I want my chili sauce to have a nice barbecue aroma to it. So, just like so. Let them slowly roast away. Oil. Starting off with the chili sauce. Garlic. Chilies regular. Chili spicy. Let's let them roast off for a second. Give that a toss. Lemongrass. Ginger, those chilies are roasting off, really nice. Wow, what? Oh. I always say it, but I love the smell of roasted chili and garlic, and especially lemongrass. Onions. My stinky, smelly, beautiful shrimp paste. Wow. I know I always say it. It's really nice. Ooh. And I do always say, you know, best that you do this outside if you can. Otherwise, you'll be smelling it when you go to bed. These tomatoes, a quick turn. This will take a while. I've got it on slow and low. Right. Sugar. Palm sugar traditionally. I'm using palm sugar. You can use brown sugar. Let that sugar caramelize nicely. Nice color, look at that, beautiful. Lime juice. So this is a sweet, sour and spicy chili sauce. Pork stock. Tomatoes are starting to frazzle, and now you can see the barbecue color starting to come through. Wonderful. So the tomatoes have a beautiful color. Let's add these to the stock. This will give my chili sauce an incredible barbecue flavor. All right, turn that down, let it simmer away. Now for my sausages. Minced pork, pork fat. Put the pork fat in the freezer so it's easier to handle later. Right. Curry paste, just a little. turmeric, cumin, roasted cumin, basil, coriander, chilies, lemongrass, onions, garlic chopped, don't be shy with the garlic, ginger, spring onions, lime leaves, Thai fish sauce. Should be done. Right, give this a mix. This is an easy sausage mix. The Thai sausages generally are easy but full of flavour, folks, full of flavour. Right, I'm going to leave that for about 5 minutes to let the flavours just infuse together. So I have my favourite sausage maker in the whole wide world. My better half. Yeah, very primitive. A funnel. I have not invested yet in a sausage machine, but I guess, folks, my next book coming up is on sausages, so guess what I'll be buying. But hey, does this work or what? You got it? 1 sec. So while Josie is stuffing that away for me like that, Josie, can you do that? Yep, put it in. I'm going to zap my sauce. Stick blender or a liquidizer, anything will do. Look at that sausage, look at that sausage. A nice rustic chili sauce there. Wonderful job, Josie. Come on, get on with it. Do you want a massage? You got all these fancy trainers over there, especially you, Mr. John Borden, and you, Mr. Ali Naji of Men of the Grill. Yeah, Patty-o, Daddy-o. All you folks and your fancy sausage makers, that's mine. Oh, John, yeah, I've seen you getting your missus at the table, stuffing sausages. Yeah, because you're like me, a bit lazy ass to do it, brother. A little bit more Thai fish sauce in there. Oh, sweet, spicy, sour. That's the bomb right there. Good job, Josie, good job. Just gonna do the other one. Squeeze it right down to the end. There you have it. Thank you, Josie. I can't even see where the needle is. Put it on a string for me. Yeah. Right. Place that on the barbie on the low heat. This one, same. Have a look at that. Also on the barbie, right. Had a spot of rain, but having to cover my barbie. My sausages are ready. Look at those, folks. Very, very nice. And now for my chili sauce. Pop half in there like that. Some in my nice little bowl. Look at that, folks, look at that. There you are, the fruits of your labor, Josie. How's that? Give my sushi mat. Look at that. Ladies first. Come on, put you in, don't be shy. I know what's coming.
Actually, I love pudding. My father used to do it in the old days for us. So, I'm a lover of pudding.
In the Caribbean, they call sausage pudding. George's dad used to be famous here when he was around for his black pudding. They call it pudding, a Creole black pudding. It's wonderful. What do you make of this sausage? Chiang Mai Northern Thai sausage? Not too spicy?
No.
Not too spicy?
No.
Seriously?
Not too spicy this time.
What about chili sauce?
I had a taste. I had a taste. Give me a minute.
It's got a lot of spices, but it's not spicy, so to speak. Yeah, if that makes any sense.
Good.
She has to say that. No, she doesn't. She'd tell me if it wasn't. Oh, yeah, nice. Quite pleased with that. Done in a very primitive way with a funnel. It works, right? A bit more labor and probably a bit harder to do, but it works. Wonderful. These recipes come out of my Thai cookbook called The Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. It's got over 100 recipes and more than 45 cooking videos to go along with it, like this one. Some of them are got my own little touches on. I learned most of these recipes on the road in Thailand with over my 60-70 motorbike trips that I did over a 6-year period. And thank goodness that I kept a diary of those times and the stories in between about my trips around Thailand. If I hadn't kept a diary, I wouldn't remember. So that's nice, got the stories with it. Met some incredible, wonderful people who are happy to share their dishes, their recipes, their hearts, their homes, and many wonderful nights. Nights sometimes I probably didn't remember. Thank goodness I wrote that down. And also there's some stories in there of my life as a chef. Having to deal with hairy, scary suppliers and disgruntled suppliers who, you know, sometimes business doesn't work out. Death threat snakes in the office. It's all there, folks. Don't forget to check it out. Along with my chef merchandise, both of them you can click on the chef shop icon at the end of the video. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. New videos every week. And subscribe by clicking here right over my shoulder should you want to know what's going on in crazy Sherlocksville. Thanks for watching and bon appetit!